What's up guys, welcome to the video. In today's video I want to help you guys create a Rocket League account. So the first thing that you guys need to do is go on Google and type in Rocket League. Now we're gonna click on this one. And now you guys need to click on play free. And they're gonna give you 4 options. If you have a PS4, obviously click the PS4. If you have an Xbox, click the Xbox. But in this video I have a PC, so I'm gonna click on the first one, which is Epic Games. So click on it if you have a PC. Now, after you've done that, click on sign in actually. And you're gonna scroll down and right here at the bottom, click on sign up. And you have different options, the way you can sign up with to create an account. You can sign up with your Facebook, with Google, Xbox Live, Nintendo, Steam, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you how to create it with your email. So click on the email one. They're gonna ask you for your country. Now you can start to actually create your account. Country, first name. I'm just gonna put in some random stuff like my email and display name because I don't actually want to create an account. And now you guys need to create a password. After you've done that, you need to click on this particular box. I have read and agreed to the terms of service. Now click on continue. Okay, so apparently this one isn't good. Let's see this one. Okay, apparently I can't find an email that works. Okay, let's try this one. Please work. Thank you. Okay, now obviously this is not my email, so I'm not actually gonna get the verification code. But what you guys need to do, it's obviously you enter the right email, which is yours, and they're gonna give you a verification code on your email. Then you gotta fill this in with the verification code they send you on your email. Click on verify email, and you should be good to go. That's the way you create your account. It's that simple. Hope I was helpful. If I was, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.